Hello, my name is Heath Johnson. I'm a consultant with Network Consulting Services Incorporated, or NCSI for short. One of the inconveniences when working with Inside Service Manager is when we open up or edit an incident and I want to refresh or go to the list view, I'm prompted with the window to save or not or cancel the action, which then I would have to click on save first to avoid that prompt and then go to the list view or click on refresh. What I'd like to show you is how to consolidate some of those actions or button clicks into a single button or quick action that will allow me to save and either refresh or save and go to the list view with a single button click. First, let's open up our Edit Action window. Click on Create New Actions, find Composite Action, and select that one. This first action, I'm going to name Save and Refresh. Category, I'm just going to throw it under Form Actions. And under New Action, find UI action, add it to the list, and edit the label. You don't need to do this, but I like to. So I know what's happening. I like to keep what kind of action it is, so it's easy to find and easy to reference. This one, I'm naming it Save Incident and Close Tab. The scope is Current Tab. Command ID is Close Tab. Confirmation is null. Command data is null. Then publish it to the appropriate roles, and then make sure the autosave box is checked. That's the first action. We're going to add another action, which is also going to be a UI action. This label, I want it to be reopen incident. And not just the incident workspace, but the incident record itself. The scope for this one is Object Workspace. Command ID is search. Confirmation is null. The command data is actually, I'm just going to copy and paste something in there to speed things up because I don't want to type everything. So that's the second action, and at this point I can save it. So I have my save and refresh. The next action will be the save and go to the list view, which, to save some time, I can actually clone this save and refresh quick action and just modify the second action within the quick action. The name on this one, I'm going to change it from save and refresh to save and go to list. Keep it in the form actions. Keep the same first UI action, and then we'll just modify the second UI action. This one, I'm going to change to Open Incident tab in List View. I'll clear these out because we're going to change most of these. The scope will be Workspace Selector. Command ID is open object tab. Confirmation, we don't want any confirmation, so I'll type in null there. Command data, again, I'll just copy and paste some expressions there. All right, so this is done. We publish it to the roles we want to see this. Make sure this autosave button or box is checked. Okay, so now we have our 2 quick actions. I want to add these to the toolbar in the form view. So I'm going to go to the configuration interface, open up the incident business object, select layouts, and then open up the incident layout .service desk. Select form view, click on edit the toolbar, and I like to expand it out so I can see what the toolbar is going to look like. And then I just want to drag and drop the 2 quick actions that I created. So I don't want to show any images, I'm just going to show the text only. The other one will be the save and go to list. Okay, so click on save the toolbar, save the layout, go to the user interface, refresh the browser. Open an incident, and let's test out our buttons and quick actions. And this one I'm just going to change the urgency to low, or yes, the urgency to low. Click on save and refresh. And if everything works well, it saves it and then reopens the same incident. This time I'm going to click on change the impact to low, and I'm going to click on save and go to list. And here, if everything works, it's going to save the incident and take me back to the incident workspace in the list view. Hopefully you can find a use for these 2 quick actions to make things a little bit more efficient in Service Manager. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and have a great day.